Hey, good morning, everybody. Rory Powers, Right Line Trading. Happy Friday. I hope you had a nice evening. And before we get too far into this, it's important to know that I am not a licensed financial advisor. There is a significant amount of risk associated with trading the financial markets. If you're not familiar with those risks, please consult with a licensed financial advisor, since I am not one of them. All right. Today is Friday, March 28th. If you're with us this morning, that's the good news. Amen. Hallelujah. You're still in the game. Let's get it.
Order submitted.
Today we're going to be trading the AI Auto Trader and the iBots, which are both fully automated trading systems that run in NinjaTrader 8. Very common question. Which platform do I need to use? It's NinjaTrader 8. There's no other platform. So your broker or your prop firm must support the NinjaTrader 8 platform in order to trade these bots. Once these strategies are enabled, hang on and enjoy the ride. The system's going to execute and manage the trades for you. We're going to be trading a diversified portfolio of strategies that trade on the futures index equities. We've diversified into crude oil and gold as well. What we've done is let the bots trade through the London Open, the overnight session. Right up now, we're headed into the New York Stock Exchange Open. And we have what we call our leaderboard. These are the bots that are performing the best in the current trading environment. This is how we select which bots we're going to use in our live or funded accounts. This is one way we could do it. I refer to these bots as the what have you done for me latelys. If you had a good day last week, well, we were grateful then. But that's not going to help us today. We want to know how to make money today and what is going to give us our best opportunity. I think that the bots that are doing well in the current trading environment are a really good place to start. A really good place to start. My NQ30 range is up 21.35. That's a bot that once it finds the ebb and flow of the market, it can really rack up profits.
Order submitted.
Our Steven 8 Unorenko, extremely exciting bot, trades on the 8 Unorenko NASDAQ, is liking this environment. The drone is up 1,400. In fact, it's in a trade now. If we go to our 8 Unorenko chart, and in order to see the trades on your chart trader, I would put the same account that's running here in my strategy, I would put it in my chart trader. And now I'll be able to see that Steven drone, the 8 Unorenko Steven drone. I'll be able to see that trade on my chart because the account in my chart trader matches the one running in my strategy. Very important. If you want to see the trade on your chart, you must match the account in your chart trader with the one that's running in your strategy. And of course, you would need to be on the same instrument as well. Good morning, RJ. Good morning, Rao. Carol. Yes, we can chat today, Carol. RJ, good morning, sir. Rod, good to see you. Duke, the Dukester. Thank you, Duke. Don't forget to hit the like button. Edward, good morning. Ankh, let's do it. Happy Friday. Kind of a rubber match. I'm right about break even for the week, and it's a shame because, I like to refer to it as slipping on a banana peel. And there still can be human errors. What I'm referring to is Wednesday.
Order submitted.
Hit my profit goal, thought I was done for the day, and inadvertently, accidentally, enabled my PA accounts on a strategy. I don't even know how it happened, but these things happen in trading. And it turned a $1,200 profit into a $2,400 loss across 3 accounts.
Order
So I've
submitted.
had to play catch up all week, and I'm at break even. The system itself has been doing extremely well. If you put aside that bonehead banana peel slip, I would have had a really great week again. But today's the rubber match, and we'll see how it goes. Good morning, Sam. Good morning, Rao. Gold has been on fire. Rao is your man. A weapon of mass destruction. Thank you, Rao. We appreciate those kind words. We want to provide our members with an edge when trading the financial markets. And we're going to do the opening trade as our power play trade. And my bot happens to be at the top of the leaderboard. Let's see what happened overnight, and we'll take a look at Forex Factory before the market opens. Oh my goodness. We had a big move down. Very volatile. Very volatile. We're slowly filling in the gap from that overnight move down. Interesting. And just so we don't have any unpleasant surprises, let's take a quick look at the Forex Factory. April 1st, if you didn't hear, April 1st is our grand opening. This is not an April Fool's Day joke. Grand opening of Right Line Funding. We've got a huge meeting today. And April 1st, we are on track. Today is Friday, March 28th. $8:30, we had core PCE price index, personal income month over month, personal spending month over month. 10 a.m., we've got an orange folder for the revised consumer sentiment. Revised inflation. So that report they gave us a few days ago or last week, they're going to do it again with an update. And those news reports really have a tremendous impact.
Order submitted.
On the market. Let's see what the news was. 15 minutes ago, the European Union, the EU plans concessions for Trump after reciprocal tariffs hit. Those tariffs have been big market movers. Any news breaking on those tariffs they're looking to make secure a partial removal of U.S. tariffs. So it looks like they're in negotiations to prevent those tariffs from coming to fruition. Let's see what happened with the core PCE. Hotter than expected. Personal income increased 0.8% at a monthly rate. But core inflation also came up hotter than expected. Boy, that's really the hamster on the wheel, ain't it? The faster you run, you still don't get nowhere. Your wages are rising, but so are costs. Hey, good morning, Naski. Thank you for joining today. We've got an exciting day. What I use to trade my prop accounts is a trade copier. And the very top one is the leader account. I like to take off the velocity filter But you know what? That bot's doing so well pre-market, I'm going to stick with it. So I'm going to go strictly with my leaderboard. I'm going to use that velocity drone. As my leader account. This is my leader
Order
account.
submitted.
It just jumped into a trade. Let's take a look at it. We've got an alignment. Well, no, the 20U is right at the 50.
Order
The way we've been
submitted.
trading it is we wait for a 3/4 of the candle to break through the 50 on our 20U. And we get a multi-time frame alignment of trend between our 20 Unirenko and our 30 range. When that happens, we connect our copier and we let the good times roll. So the market's going to open in just a couple of minutes here. Let's see if we get some follow through to the downside. And what we're hoping for is for this trade to get into what we call our profit window. Our profit
Order
window
submitted.
kicks in. My stop will fly down like it just did, and it'll lock in a minimum of $250 on the trade with the potential to make 500. So the profit window brings my stop down so there's an equal risk to reward at that stage of the game, that stage of the trade. I'm only risking what I have the potential to make once I'm within 25 ticks to my profit target. Market's going to open in just a minute. We look for a profit goal of $300 to $500 a day. And we quickly get on the sidelines.
Order submitted.
Here we go.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Good luck, everybody. We're going to let the first couple minutes pass us
Order
by.
submitted.
Getting a good push to the downside into support.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Okay, my bot jumped in, but I hadn't enabled it yet. We do have an alignment of trend. It's below the 50 on my 20U. Here we go. It's in a profit window. It's early. It's only 9:30. It's very tempting, but we're going to give it till 9:32. Let's stick with our game plan.
Order submitted.
Let's stick right with our game plan. Let's give it till 9:32. Boy, that's a nice trade, isn't it?
Order submitted.
Boy, that's a nice trade. It's coming on down. We got an area of support right below our profit target. Our profit target's in the perfect position. Absolutely perfect. That's right where we want our profit target to be. Oh, was that a beautiful trade. Oh, boy, I let that one go. Ay, ay, ay. Okay, so 250 or 500. It's trying to push down lower. We need a retracement back to the 50 here. I'm going to go ahead and enable it. We're a bit oversold on the move. It's get a retracement. I just enabled it. And we don't want to go long. We want to get a short roll here.
Order submitted.
Ooh, I'm going to bring my target right to support. Bam, it hit my profit. It hit my profit window.
Order submitted.
All right, we got a small profit. It went right into support, and I moved my profit target above support. Boy, I don't want to trade right into this support. So I disabled it. Let's break this support. Okay, now I'm back on. Got some good volume. 2,600 contracts a minute here. Let's see if it pushes lower. We're a bit oversold on this move. Look at the 20U.
Order submitted.
Let's see if we can ride it lower.
Order submitted.
Bam, here we go. Come on, push down. Oh, this one has the 50 tick stop. No, the 100 tick stop. Trouble.
Order submitted.
Okay. That was a full loser. You know what? I've got to switch to my other account. I forgot this strategy. I have too much risk on. So I have my other strategy on my Sim 101, which only has 50 ticks of risk. So with being down 390, I'm going to pivot to that account here.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Let's wait for the alignment of trend. See if we can catch a short here.
Order submitted.
This is going to pop in long.
Order
we're
submitted.
Waiting for an alignment to the long side here.
Order submitted.
Okay.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
All right,
Order
we're
submitted.
aligned to the upside now. Let's see if we can get a continuation long.
Order submitted. Order
let's
submitted.
get it. Oof. Come on, pop up. Get us in the game
Order
here.
submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Oh, I gotta stop there. Lost 700 across 5 accounts today. So I gotta go to sim. Ooh, that was a tough day. I was tell you, just missed that early trade was the one to grab. So let's keep an eye on these other bots in our leaderboard.
Order submitted.
Fridays are not
submitted.
easy, let me tell you.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Okay, just popped in
Order
long.
submitted. Order submitted.
I got this position on my evals. See if we can
Order
get 500.
submitted.
No, we got a 250. So we'll let the evals continue to run.
Order submitted.
Okay, we're in long on the iBot on the NQ16U. And we're also long on the 30 range. Give it a little room. See if we can get some follow through to the upside.
Order submitted.
Good morning, Al.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Oops. Our 1 day pass, our 30 range 1 day pass has been scoring every day of the week. Param Roop. Boy, I hope you're trading that one still. Omar.
Order submitted.
Here we go. Come on, get in our profit window. Just got a first target on that 16 Unorenko. Choppy market here. For the MYM,
Order submitted.
that's a hard question to answer, Jorge, because I really don't have any data to back up my opinion on it. So without data,
Order submitted.
I don't know.
Order submitted.
Boy, this is trouble on this trade. What I would do is I would run a variety of them in sim accounts and accumulate some data to find which one is performing the best. And then taking my best performing bot and using that one to trade the MYM.
Order submitted.
Oh, this is going to go short.
Order submitted.
This is going to go short. Sure. Boy, this is a
Order
tough
submitted.
environment.
Order submitted.
Get a full winner.
Order submitted.
Nice.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Need one more. My profit target's in a good place. It's right below resistance. There's a clear shot to my profit target. I just need it to drift up right to resistance.
Order submitted.
Man,
Order submitted.
Really a tough market. Wow.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Boy, this thing looks like it's going to fly to the downside.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Oh man, this was a beautiful entry on the B. Signal B entry. Didn't take it.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Okay, the iBot's in short. Oops.
Order
See if we
submitted.
get some follow through the downside now. It's been a bit choppy. The first first 15 minutes of the market. No clear direction. Kind of a tight ranging market. Gold is choppy
Order
too,
submitted.
huh? Good morning, Tony C. Tony C in the house. Thanks for joining us, Tony.
Order submitted.
Here we go. We're in short. Let's get one.
Order
Let's
submitted.
get one.
Order submitted.
Come on down. No follow through, huh? Come on, bounce off that 50 and roll.
Order submitted.
Let's go down.
Order submitted.
Come on down. It's trying to help us. Just give it a little more room. Ay, 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 ay. Boy, this is a tough market, man.
Order submitted.
Ouch.
Order submitted.
Let me take a quick look at gold. Let me see. I'm on the ES8 unrealized. AIES.
Order submitted.
Just took a nice entry on the 8 Unarenko on the E-mini. It took it right below the VWAP.
Order submitted.
And it's giving it plenty of room.
Order submitted.
The NASDAQ's just all over the place. See if we can get a pop to the upside here. We got some volatility building up here. Refer to that as the compression zone. Let's see if we can pop one. Usually you get a pop to the upside or downside out of these areas of consolidation. There we go.
Order submitted.
Let's go. Let's get some pressure to the upside now. Okay, Judy, congratulations. Great job. Man, this was a tough environment too. You did great. Wow.
Order submitted.
Got an exit on the line change. All right, here's our iBot 16U. See if we can get some follow through to the upside here.
Order submitted.
Nope.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Boy, this market's all over the place this morning. That 8U is kind of slowly breaking to the downside. Makes me think this Friday, towards the afternoon, we're going to get a big meltdown. Hopefully not. Hopefully it's the opposite. 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock is that orange
Order
folder
submitted.
report. That ES8U is starting to... No, that's the 30 star, excuse me. Oh, I triggered Alexa. The ES drones are on fire. ES star drone, I have up 700, but it's in a big losing position. The ES 30 range 50,000 one-day pass got a winner. The 30 range smart velocity is on the leaderboard. The MES PA account is up 103.
Order submitted.
Let's take a look at this
Order
IBOT 30
submitted.
range. Oh, it's down. Oh, I'm in a trade on the SIM account. Popped into a long trade. Boy, that counter trend. Counter trend trade. As volatile as this market is, maybe these are the entries.
Order submitted.
These signal A entries.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
IBOT 16U
Order
is
submitted.
in. Let's check out the IBOTs. IBOT's in a short position.
Order submitted.
IBOT 24U. IBOT 16U. Both in short. They're getting the data right off the stock market. And they're picking up an imbalance of sellers to buyers.
Order submitted.
Let's turn this off. Let's take this IBOT 16U for a ride.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Let's put on the IBOT ES4U. Also in a beautiful trade. So the IBOT's got the right direction. Caught this big move down on both the ES and the NQ. And a big long trade on gold too. Hey, Dr. Jeff. Good morning. Yeah, Judy did a heck of a job. Let me tell you, this is a tough environment. Here we go, another roll down.
Order submitted.
Another push to the downside. Coming right back to support. Right back to support. What? Hey, trader. Let me check with Sergio. We meet every Friday as a team. And
Order
there
submitted.
goes that 10 o'clock news report.
Order submitted.
That 10 o'clock news report just kicked in.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Whoa.
Order submitted.
Traded right through it. But we meet every Friday. And we release, if the update is available, we're going to be releasing it. Marcia! There you are. Good to see you. Good morning. If it is ready, we're going to release it this afternoon, trader. I'm hoping that it is ready.
Order submitted. Order
Thank
submitted.
you, Marcy. Jeez. Okay, I think we got into the the iBot 16U.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
He just pushed to the downside on these iBots. Come on down.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Getting some selling pressure here. Building up. Come on, pop
Order
out of
submitted.
there. Pop down. Let's go. All right, Marcy's been on a roll. Great job, Marcy. Congratulations.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Man, this thing not giving us any real good follow through.
Order submitted.
The 24U is only up
Order
110,
submitted.
but it's still green. That's most important. Let's see what else we're... Ooh, there's that VW account. Let me tell you, that VW... having a lot of some really good results on it. Whoa, look at this.
Order
20U.
submitted. Order submitted.
Gambit. Gambit's back. Good morning. Thanks for joining us, Gambit. Happy Friday. Listen, I want to invite everybody. I'm going to do a live presentation today at 1 o'clock on the iBots and the AI Auto Trader. If you want to learn more, come join me today at 1 o'clock. I'm going to put a registration link in the chat box. Come on, let's get some follow through the downside here.
Order submitted.
There we go. Come on, get a first target. Get a first target.
Order submitted.
Nice.
Order submitted.
Keep going.
Order submitted.
Come on now. Here we
Order
go.
submitted.
Here we go. Come on. All the way. All the way. Oh. Oh yeah.
Order submitted.
Nice.
Order submitted.
Woo! Boy, that brought me back from deep, 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 deep. Boy, that was deep. That trade brought me right back in.
Order submitted.
Oh, man, I'm in a monster over here on the iBot 24U. Here we go. These iBots are jumping in on these short moves. Somehow I got into a short again on the 16U. I think this thing's going to retrace a little on us. Come on down. Keep going down. Ooh, this is so close to my profit target. I can't let it come back. It kills me to see it.
Order submitted.
Come on, keep pushing down.
Order submitted.
It's trying to break through that area of support. If it does, we could be in for a big ride down. Here we go. Just broke through.
Order submitted.
Bam. Right back in on the 24U. We're in on the...
Order submitted.
Yeah. Oh, yes.
Order submitted.
Oh, man almighty.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Get out of these trades quick. Man, I brought those accounts back from the abyss. The iBots put me on. Yes. I wish I would have done it with my PAs. I piggybacked those
Order
iBots.
submitted.
And on the 16U, caught two monster trades. I bought 16U and 24U is what we're looking at. And that ES on the 8 Unarenko. Man almighty. Boy, did they just score big on those, that move down. The IBOT on the ES4 Unarenko is up 1775.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Let's go to our leaderboard. Here come the iBots. Here come the iBots. The ES20 range. The ES16U, NQ, I'm sorry, the NQ16U, NQ 1 minute, green. iBot ES30 range, up
Order submitted.
275. iBot ES20 range, up 1,000. iBot NQ20U, up 1,500. iBot ES4U, up 1,775. iBot NQ24U, up 1,810. Wow.
Order submitted.
They are bringing home the bacon today.
Order submitted.
And another monster.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Oh, that iBot on the ES4U's right back in. That's a beautiful entry.
Order submitted.
Full winner on the 16U. It's going right back in.
Order
We got
submitted.
a big sell-off here on the NQ and the ES. Oh, these bots are racking it in now. iBot 20U. Also in on it.
Order submitted.
When you have this type of disparity between buyers and sellers, those iBots are going to run up to score like you've never seen before.
Order submitted.
They're going to put numbers up that'll really blow your mind, literally. Going for the full winner on this ES30 range. That's Robert's strategy, the ES30 range. Getting a monster. Man, what a trading
Order
day.
submitted.
Wow. Boy, I've got to really, that opening trade that I take, I think I'm going to reduce the risk and take one shot at it and then still be alive for the rest of the session. I'm on the sideline on my PA account and I'm kicking myself. The evals I could be a little looser with, but my PAs I'm too close to getting
Order
there.
submitted.
If I hit my loss limit, I'm not going to risk it. Do we get another break of support? Or have we found a bottom? Oh, I forgot the link. Let me put the link in. Today at 1 o'clock, we're going to do a deep dive into these automated bots. If you want to learn more,
Order submitted.
even if you can't make it today at 1, make sure you register for the webinar. This way you'll automatically get the replay.
Order submitted.
Here we go. We're retesting support again. We're right between the 50 and support with a lot of selling pressure. I think it's going to break right here. Here we go. Here we go. Retesting it.
Order submitted. Order
Just broke
submitted.
it.
Order
This
submitted.
thing could be gone. This thing could be gone. Now we got some running room to the downside. Oh. Oh man, look at the E-mini go. That ES30 range is up $3,300. Went right to the top of my leaderboard. Excuse me. The 24U.
Order submitted.
Man, look at these numbers these bots are putting up. I was talking to Ron Nettles, member of our community, and he's also a Vietnam vet. Thank you for your service, Ron. But he's looking to trade the full portfolio of iBots on a live account, about a $50,000 cash account.
Order submitted.
He's getting ready to go for the gusto. On a day like today, oh my God. Crazy, insane money. the ultimate edge for futures traders. Come learn about the iBot. The iBots are getting data right off of the stock market. If you notice my connections, I'm connected to Kinetic. The iBots require an additional data feed with Kinetic or IQ. For $78 additional a month, we can stream in the actual indexes of the market internals that show the disparity of uptick versus downtick.
Order submitted.
Knowing that we have these bots that have the ability to put up the numbers that they do, we quickly, Mark Miller is the owner of Right Line Trading, really is a visionary and a forward thinker. Immediately got the prop firm going. He said, let's fund our best traders, give them the ability to use our tools, and our traders that are the most consistent,
Order
the most
submitted.
profitable. He's going to give you a
Order
live account.
submitted.
So Right Line funding,
Order submitted.
come April 1st. Make sure, if you go to our website, Right Line Funding, make sure that you put in your email address. We're going to do something special for our grand opening. You want to put in your email address, believe me. And come next week, we're going to do something really special for our grand opening. You know, I'll tell you, mobile home, you know, on certain days, yeah, I do think that would be helpful. Like on a day like today, like right now,
Order submitted.
You certainly wouldn't want to take a long trade.
Order submitted.
But things can change so quickly. We do have conditions within the bots themselves that will prevent them from taking counter trend trades.
Order
I
submitted.
think that might be a better way to approach it, because you know, with the drop of a news report or who knows, of some political unrest or a tweet even, the market can go from getting sold off to like we are today to completely changing directions. But within our strategy parameters, we can make these bots as aggressive or conservative as we like. And one way we can do that is to ensure that they're only trading in the direction of the trend and not taking any counter trend trades, whether they be long or short. Great job, Marcy. Way to go. Wow. Look at Marcy go. Again, 800. Oh my goodness. Congratulations, Marcy. Welcome back.
Order submitted.
Now David Wise is coming up right behind me. Boy, this ES4U,
Order
what a
submitted.
some beautiful trades today. Look at those entries, will you? I don't think you could ask for better entries on the E-mini than that. Well, it looks like it took a long. The data series is a 4U. To really see what it's looking at, I would have to change this. Go from a range to a Unorenko and make it a 41020.
Order submitted.
So this is the time frame that this strategy is looking at. And you can see the entries that it took. It took a short right here and rode it all the way down and hit the target. Took another short right here and rode it all the way down
Submitted.
until it hit our trailing stop. Beautiful entries. It actually jumped right back in and went short again, and it's almost reached a full. It just hit our profit window. You saw my stop, lock in profits, and that bot is up $2,500, trading since 9:35. That's not even an hour, 50 minutes in. Yeah, she is. Well, you do your best, Marcy. We always love having you. Thank you for coming today.
Order submitted.
Okay, we're jumping in short again.
Order submitted.
Here we go. Here's our open positions. You can see these bots are really going to town. That iBot NQ30 range is very exciting.
Order submitted.
Oops, sorry about that.
Order submitted.
The only thing long is gold. Has an inverse correlation. Boy, the iBots are bringing home the bacon. We got some AIs doing really well as also. All right, we're going to wrap up in just a moment. Let me run to the restroom real quick, and we'll go over the leaderboard. Just give me 1 minute.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Okay, I'm back. Wow, this is unbelievable. Look at this sell-off. Holy moly. Well, the IBOT 24U has almost reached its profit goal of 5,000.
Order submitted.
Look at this move down, will you? Man almighty. Oh my God, I'm afraid to look at my positions in the stock market.
Order submitted.
Hey, Tony C., what is the automation that you were talking about a few sessions back? I believe you're referring, what we always talk about is the AI auto and the iBots.
Order submitted.
The new iBots.
Order submitted.
Does one of those ring a bell, Tony?
Order submitted.
That we were waiting for automation. Oh, we were going to automate our morning power play. We are going to automate that methodology where instead of timing out when we enable the trade copier, instead of having to time it out, we were going to make one of the filters of the strategy parameters that it would only take the trade when the 20 Unirenko is in agreement with trend being in agreement with the 30 range. We don't want to get into a short on our 30 range if our 20 Unirenko is above the 50. If the overall trend is a long trend, we don't want to start taking shorts on our shorter time frame. So we want a multiple time frame alignment of trend. It's like when, David Wise, before he takes a swing trade on an entry on a 5-minute chart, he'll look at his daily chart. And he'll make sure his daily chart is in agreement with the direction that he's taking on his 5-minute. It's the same thing. And that's really what this background bias, this pink color, the pink background to my chart, is our bias indicator. And that's a fractal indicator that's looking at a multi-time frame alignment of trend on a higher time frame. We usually use fib numbers on our inputs. If we want to look, because these are such, short-term holds, we wouldn't necessarily look at a daily chart if we're only taking a trade that lasts 2 minutes. But to look at a
Order submitted.
150 range chart, or a 15-minute or a 30-minute chart, I think that would be more appropriate.
Order submitted.
Well, I'll tell you, this has been some session. The 24 Unarenko maxed out with this big move down. These bots are licking their chops, loving this trading environment. They've been waiting all week to get loose, and today was the day. I hit my I hit my loss limit on my PA accounts too early, and I couldn't get in on the fun. I got my evals on, but man almighty, look at the numbers that this system put up today. This position looks like it's loose.
Order submitted.
But the iBots, oh my goodness. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 of the 10 iBots are in the green. The 2 that are losing are the 600 tick That's the only one that's losing. So, I mean, you do the math. If you add up all of these iBots today,
Order submitted.
this is exactly what Ron Nettles was telling
Order
me.
submitted.
You run all the iBots today, and it doesn't do this every day. It's important to know. And you would need a large
Order
account.
submitted.
He calculated it at a $50,000 account to be able to handle the drawdowns.
Order
But
submitted.
on a cash account, today, if you traded all of the iBots, you'd be up 20 grand for the day. You'd have a pretty good weekend.
Order submitted.
And that number's only
Order
going to go
submitted.
higher with the way this market is melting down today.
Order submitted.
So a huge day. Just tremendous. This could be one of the best days ever for our bots. Dr. Jeff, the way to test these iBots, because they're streaming data from the stock market,
Order submitted.
you'd have to forward test them. I don't see how you would be able to back test them unless you were able to download all of that historical tick data from those indexes. Theoretically, I think it would be possible, but very difficult. Yeah, so
Order
Tony, we were
submitted.
going to automate that
Order
morning power
submitted.
play trade. That's what we were discussing. Nice, Marcy. Marcy's on fire today. I tell you, we've got a tool that's in my opinion. Speaking about back testing, I know there is some value in back testing, but I also know that the strategy analyzer within NinjaTrader 8 is really not an accurate assessment of the results that you can count on getting. What we've coded, what we've developed as a tool to backtest, I think is
Order
even more
submitted.
powerful. And it's that cross indicator. The cross indicator, if you look at the strategy parameters, and then we're going to wrap up. I don't want to go too deep in the minutia here. But if we take a new strategy and I put on this AI Auto Trader P, and I take a screenshot of it,
Order submitted.
and then I go into my indicator list and I pull up that cross indicator,
Order submitted.
you can
Order
see if you
submitted.
put these side by side next to each other, they're identical. And what I'm getting at is this cross indicator gives you the ability
Order
to
submitted.
backtest with incredible accuracy. You'll be able, instead of when all of the conditions are met in the indicator,
Order submitted.
the output is a cross on your chart. So you could tweak the inputs of each one of the entries and hit apply, and on your chart there'll be a cross that will show you exactly where each one of the entries would have been had you had those same inputs in the strategy parameters. So if you find the parameters that bring in the crosses at the perfect places, you can easily save that template, save those settings, and put it in your strategy. And to me, I think that's even more accurate than that strategy analyzer that Ninja provides.
Order submitted.
All right, let's wrap it up.
Order submitted.
Listen, I want to thank everybody for joining me today. It was an up and down week. Today, what an up day! Oh my goodness, the market melted away, but it really brought home the bots brought home the bacon in a big way. The Mac truck over $6,000. The iBots crushed it on both the NQ and the ES. Those 20 Unorenko, 24 Unorenko, 16 Unorenkos had a huge day. The NQ 1 minute, the NQ 30 range.
Order submitted.
All of those iBots had a huge day. And the AI
Order
Auto Trader
submitted.
had some bots that did extremely well also. The Velocity, the one that I messed up on this morning, it was up 3,700. The 1 day pass up 3,000.
Order
The
submitted.
Steven Drone, very exciting strategy. For a long time, that was our record holder. Up $2,600, hit its profit limit. So just a number of strategies scored really big today with these market conditions. So I hope everybody has a really blessed weekend. If you would, please like my video here on YouTube. Just like Dukester said in the beginning, please like my video. It gives us some traction on YouTube, gets some new faces, new eyes on our products and services. And it really helps us out more than you know.
Order submitted.
Be on the lookout. April 1st, the grand opening of Right Line Funding. And I'm going to talk a little bit about that in today's webinar. Basically what I mentioned today. So if you can't make it live, don't worry. If you register,
submitted.
though, you'll get the replay automatically. Coming up right behind me is professional options trader David Wise. And he's going to be trading the SPY Super System. And he takes some really great intraday trades using that system that you can easily take. If he takes one, on the SPY, you could definitely duplicate it on the ES. So he's coming up right behind me, professional trader David Wise. If I don't see you this afternoon in the webinar, I hope you have a blessed weekend and you're able to spend quality time with those that you love the most. Have a great day, everybody. Thanks for joining me. Have a great weekend. Have a great weekend, Rodney.